For my student sample, I'm going to be using Jing, but I'm also going to be using Camtasia to record Jing so you'll know how to use both. So I know it's confusing from the start, but I like to make things challenging. Assuming you've already downloaded Jing, you're going to click on the icon here, and I'm going to click this icon, and I'm going to say this is the part of the screen I want to capture. And then I want to capture the video. And I'm testing right now to make sure that my microphone is working, and as you can see here it is, so I can press continue. So now I'm about getting ready to go. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the navigational bar for your ePortfolio. So assuming you've logged into MyMoxNet, you'll click on the MoxMail Plus, and then you're going to go to Sites. Then you're going to select your ePortfolio. And then you're going to come to More, and then you're going to go to Edit Site Layout. Yours may have a red new in front of it, so it's okay if yours does. It probably means you haven't used this before, so you'll click this. And then you'll notice that something popped up over here, the sidebar. What I want you to do is hover your cursor over the navigational area and click on that, and you should see your page is listed here. If you don't see this option, it may be because this box is selected. So if you don't see all your pages listed here, deselect this box and then you should see your pages. And so you'll simply just click on a page and then use the arrows here to change the order, or if you want to indent something, you can do that with these arrows that are going to the left and to the right. You may notice that not all of your pages that you created are listed here. So what you'll have to do is click on Add Page. And for those of you who created pages underneath and you've already started that indentation process, you'll have to click the plus sign, and in my case I have multiple layers, and then you'll click the page that you want to add, and you'll click OK, and you'll notice that it's always at the bottom. And then you'll just click here and you'll just move that particular page up. Well, actually it was here. Depending on where you had the where you had previously highlighted before, that's where the page will go. So instead of being at the bottom, because I had the teaching profile selected, it jumped up here. So I can either move it down and I can move it over, or if I realize I made a mistake, I'll just press the delete button and it's gone. Unfortunately, you are going to have to go to Add Page for every page that's not listed here, and make sure you click the sub pages as well, the subheadings if you don't see them, and you just click them, click OK, and you'll just repeat that process over and over again until the pages are listed here, and you'll move them accordingly. Assuming you've made all the changes that you need, you'll press OK, and hopefully all of those changes should be reflected here. And once that's done, you click Close, and everything is where it should be. And then you can go ahead with your editing and click on the pages and make your changes. So hopefully that was helpful for those of you who have been irritated that your navigational bar is not looking the way in which you like it to look. So you'll just press the Finish button there. And here's my movie that I can go ahead and preview.
For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the navigation.
So since I like it, I'm going to go ahead and save this. And I'm going to name it, I forgot, I think it's supposed to be Software Tutorial, something of that nature. I can't remember exactly where. And I'm going to save it in my desired location. I think it's something like that, -Ellis. And I'll save the video. And that's it. So that's all I want you to submit to me. Your video could be as short as mine. Mine was probably 2 or 3 minutes. Please don't go into anything in overtime with 5 minutes. If your dog is barking, somebody comes in a room, it's okay. You don't have to, it doesn't have to be perfect. I just want you to go through the process of doing some type of screen capture and narration, and then taking these steps and making a PDF tutorial where you'll take specific screenshots. You can use Jing or Screencast or the other software options that are available for you to do this assignment and also to create your screenshots. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any other questions, feel free to email me.